Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of Instagram highlights. If you've ever wondered how to see highlights on Instagram, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, the process is the same. Once the app is open, you'll want to navigate to your profile. This is done by tapping on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, enter the profile that contains the highlight you want to see. You can search for a specific user by typing their username in the search bar or scrolling through your feed until you find their profile. Once you're on their profile page, take a moment to look around. Now, here comes the exciting part. Under their bio, you can see all their highlights displayed as colorful circles. These highlights are essentially saved stories that users want to keep visible for longer than the usual 24 hours. Simply tap on any of these circles to view the stories contained within that highlight. If you want to explore more highlights, just swipe left or right to navigate through them. Each highlight showcases a collection of stories that might include memorable moments, events, or special themes curated by the user. Remember, highlights are a fantastic way for users to share their best moments without worrying about them disappearing after a day. They provide a glimpse into what's important to someone and can often be more engaging than regular posts. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to see highlights on Instagram. Whether it's for personal accounts or businesses showcasing their products and services, highlights play a crucial role in enhancing user engagement and storytelling on this vibrant platform. Thanks for tuning in. Now go ahead and explore those highlights on Instagram and discover all the amazing stories waiting for you.